Hello, Super Tech Boys. We're taking a look at the Katana SE Bluetooth speaker. This is what you need for your home. Superb bass, nice passive radiators on the back, and I/Os, so lots of connectivity. Let's go further into it and have a look and take a listen. Hello, Super Tech Boys, and we're back with the Katana SE soundbar. So this kind of is a cheaper version than the V2 that we've tested before. So it's kind of combining the whole lot together. So you've less space to take up, you've no woofer. But this does kind of bring both together, gives you a much more deeper bass, immersive sound. And overall it sounds really good. And yeah, the best thing to do is just get to it and let you listen to the demo. So what we're going to do is connect with Bluetooth first. And of course, you should be checking out the app, SSFI app, which I can never say right. And I'm just going to grab it up here now because I actually have music on. So you'll have that there. And you will have your devices listed there. This is compatible with it as well. And what we'll do is then we'll let you listen to it through the TV via the optical. And basically the same effect's going to happen with your gaming as well as with your console. But the difference is huge. So what we'll do is when we get to the TV test, we'll turn off the speaker and then turn it back on and let you listen through it to the TV with the audio. There's no lag latency either, which is pretty good. Of course, you've got your remote control with everything here. As you can see, it works really well. You can control your lights on the bottom there just by a little click, and you can change your bass. So if you're into bass, look no further, folks. And you've got your RGB lights there, so you can switch over then from your USB to your aux to your TV and optical, Bluetooth and previous. You've got your navi wheel here, volume up and down, skip and reverse, all that kind of stuff there. And your display, all that kind of stuff is in there. Your SPK button, HP, and your SXFI button, which is really cool. So that's ideal if you have got headphones that are compatible. It's a different world altogether if you've not tested out any of the creative stuff with the headphones and so on. It's really puts you into a different level. So let's get going with the audio test first with Bluetooth connected, and I'll just switch this back over now. So you can see here, you have got your display up on front, and then you've got your buttons up on top there as well to change the source if you prefer to do that, but they provide you with remote control, so use it, which is nice and handy. So let's get listening to some audio tracks and see what it sounds like. I just want to open up my list again. Right. So you can hear the bass difference there with the remote control. It's simply unbelievable. So that's Sunrise Drive. Everyone was asking about that at home when I use it on some videos. So next up, we're going to connect it to the, disconnect and have the TV run a YouTube video, for example, without the speaker, and then one with, and you can hear the massive difference. So next up, we're going to do without the soundbar connected, and you can see the actual unboxing we're going to do here, and you can see that it's completely turned off there. Hello, student tech boys. We've got the new creative Sound Blaster Katana SE in bi-amplified multi-channel gaming soundbar. Now, it's not just for gaming. This has got ports galore, which means you can use it for your home, TV, speakers, stereo, computer, whatever the case is you want to set it up with, you can basically set it up with. So you've got 5.1 surround sound, HDMI ARC, USB audio, USB, 16.8mm RGB colours, 180 watt peak, and you've got power, and you've got the Super XFI. So that's it there without the speaker connected. Let's see what happens next. So as you can see there, we are now connected up with the optical. Now I know it's hard to do with the sound tests with your phone and so on, but regarding the speaker, you'll hear the difference immediately. So let's go. Hello, student tech boys. We've got the new creative Sound Blaster Katana SE in bi-amplified multi-channel gaming soundbar. Now, it's not just for gaming. This has got ports galore, which means you can use it for your home, TV, speakers, stereo, computer, whatever the case is you want to set it up with, you can basically set it up with. So you've got 5.1 surround sound, HDMI ARC, USB audio, USB, 16.8mm RGB colours, 180 watt peak, and you've got power. And that's what it's going to sound like there, and what you can expect from this speaker, same with your console connected as well. It gives you much better bass, it sounds more immersive, and you've got quad passive rads on the back, and the only difference is you've no sub with this one, which is fine, and you've got your better bass, but it's not as loud as the V2. However, it is loud, as you can hear there, and overall it's pretty good. And it's a nice, neat speaker to have there in your setup with multiple input options as well, which is really, really nice to see. So that runs are up for the Katana SE Sound Blaster. It's the fourth one in the range now. Do check them out on site. We'll leave a link below to where you can check them all out and see what you can expect and what suits your budget and needs. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.